Solve 2x plus 3 equals to 11. So before we start solving, let's write the equation out. We have 2x plus 3 equal to 11. The best way to approach this is to collect like terms first. And what do I mean by like terms? Like terms is that the numbers without x, bring them together. The ones with x, then bring those ones two together. So since it's only 3 that does not look like x in the first part of the equation, what I'll do is to direct 3 to the next side of the other side of the equation rather. So we have 2x is equal to 11 minus 3. So our 2x will be equal to 11 minus 3 is 8. So what do we do next? We have 2x. We are not looking for 2x. We are looking for x. So the next step is to divide both sides by 2. And why are we dividing by 2? We are dividing by 2 because the x on this side is carrying 2. So we want to remove the x from this side. So we have 2x divided by 2 is equal to, we divide the other side 2 by 2, 8 divided by 2. So when the 2 will cross out each other, and then we divide 2 and 8 rather, 8 divided by 2 will give us 4. So our x is equal to 4.